Hey, before you even think about speakers again, I've got to tell you once you hear what real surround sound feels like. Every cheap little soundbar you've lived with starts to sound hollow. That shift hits you hard the first time you sit in front of these. This is for the kind of person who cares about sound design. You notice when a movie's soundtrack feels layered, when every explosion should have depth, when music should breathe in the room instead of fizzling out. You repass the era of that LL and ready for fidelity that actually immerses you. Take a moment to check the current price and availability now. Quality speaker bundles like this don't linger at steady pricing for long. You knew it was time to upgrade when your old setup just couldn't keep up. Maybe your last speakers sounded thin, or you cranked the volume, and all you got was distortion. That frustration builds quietly until you finally decide you want real depth, real presence, real clarity. When you switch to these, that moment of relief hits instantly. You realize you weren't imagining things. Your movies and music did deserve better. Imagine sitting down for a movie night. The surround channels don't just play audio, they place it. You start hearing footsteps behind you, distant whispers that used to be lost, the score with emotional weight that fills the room. Music gains texture, dialogue sits clean and alive in the mix. Every listening session feels intentional, not just loud. During gaming, directional cues become tangible. You feel the space of the scene around you, not just in front of you. Even casual TV watching gets an upgrade. Action scenes feel dynamic, comedies sound crisp, and you'll catch details you never noticed before. Check the price again if you haven't yet, as stock shifts and weird price jumps are real, and you don't want hesitation to cost you later. Worried about setup or space? This system is more forgiving than you think. It is built to integrate with your room, not fight it. And once it is playing, you stop thinking about gear and just listen. You feel present inside every scene. Sound feels layered, and a live dialogue becomes natural and clean. Bass hits with authority. Surround cues feel grounded around you. Requires a bit of room space, not a plug and play tiny soundbar. There comes a point where comparing specs stops helping. You know you wanted something that actually performs. This is the upgrade you'll be glad you made, not the one you delay and regret. Check availability. Trust your instincts and make the move that finally gives your room the sound it has been waiting for.